Yeah, Fever.
Yes, including Fever.
So Fever came through, and of course I would listen, but like I wasn't replying. I don't know if there's
but when the streets broke it, and then I heard it, I was like,
let's
yes,
go.
Let's go.
Yeah, y'all wasn't about to get me caught up in some dragnet. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers back kicking in my door.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh.
Yo, Nation, once about Adrian back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, yes, we're back. And we're back for good. So like and subscribe to the channel and share it to your friend so we can go in our algorithm go cause damage. You see me I say? Well, Nation, we are talking about Vybz Kartel, Barclay's performance and ticket sale. You see me I say? Because a lot of things are going on in regards to dancehall space, and a lot of us we still happy to see what are going on, the big movements we are going, cause we see all Buju and Vybz Kartel link up. We got to talk about that. Yes, me as tell me if that is a change in a dancehall. And a lot of people are say if Vybz Kartel didn't go to jail and come back in, who can pull so much crowd, which me disagree with that, and we're gonna talk more about that. So yeah, Selena.
Yeah, so all the big dancehall artists them come back together as one, and you know, so them are go feature upon DJ Khalid album, music. Sorry, you know, this is a good look for dancehall still, right?
Definitely.
Because Movada and Vybz Kartel, I don't know if younger youth them could have do this.
The Movada and Vybz Kartel track with Buju, as I heard, we're still waiting. Cause I can't wait for hear that track there and hear what we talk about. So let's kick into it. Lena, a lot of people are say if Vybz Kartel never go to prison, him wouldn't get the amount of crowd back to back 2 nights in New York. What do you think about his performance and what do you think about that?
Yeah, so for the Barclay performance, it's still, you know, it still kind of look one way, but me don't know if I fear it or me don't know what make him get so much solo through like 2 nights straight. But you know, say how how music industry work already. We know how that they go, but not gonna get into that too deep. But congratulations to him, same way, you know, 13 years in a prison.
Kartel, is either fate or
so is either him, he have a fate, yes, or him gone in the industry, you know how they one day, so is either him gone in the
industry. What do you mean? Which way? What do you mean?
Yeah, so like you know how the music industry goes in a overseas, this Hollywood already. You know how then things set up in a music industry, the music industry world over there.
So yeah, say Kartel and Illuminati, you know.
So it's like him either gone and him gone go join it, or him just lucky, the faith him hold out the faith strong, like 13 years in there in a prison. So we can never know though, like we don't know the truth. But congratulations to him, right?
Well, congrats to Vybz Kartel, said we. And Vybz Kartel is a talented artist. By end of the day, I don't really want to take nothing from him greatness. But Vybz Kartel is a great artist overall, you know what I mean? And me believe a lot of people are say him maybe with the clangs. And at the same time, a lot of people are say because him go to jail. But me can disagree with because him go to jail part, because even with the clans of going to America, as some people are say, including Lena, stick to that side, you know what I mean? Me believe say Vybz Kartel just a film time now, you see me I say? A matter of fact, if Vybz Kartel never go to jail, me think say I see him impact in we don't have when have then and now. I see him thing we don't go straight through. But me feel like say him more preserve and be more safer over time in a jail than being out a road, cause we don't know if we don't have a Vybz Kartel same way, you know what I mean? Depends on how life that go on for him. According to SRP and them man there say Vybz Kartel live a dangerous life. But on a whole, me happy to see Vybz Kartel switch over and gone out of Jamaica in a sense of he can market himself and do better, is it? But what you think on him buy new house over so? Me say Spice buy new house and now Vybz Kartel buy new house of Florida. What do you think about that, Nina?
Yes. So this one now is the best thing ever. So him getting property in the States too. Congratulations to him on that again, as me say. Spice already they have house in a foreign. I don't know if a new house she can go buy again, but congratulations to her, same way, but congratulations to Vybz Kartel. I know say him work hard for actually try to get back in visa and then him work hard to get him in place. Him have 2 property now, as we can see from the media. Him have the mansion in Jamaica and him have the one Florida now. So congratulations to him still for that.
Well, wait. So with the Barclay's performance with Shensia, what do you think about that and Vybz Kartel? Cause to me at first, we never think would answer Vybz Kartel and Shensia perform.
Me not feel like same. It not even look like say them did one day in the same space, because when Shensia come out, him not even seem like him did one stand up beside her, and she never got beside him. Them like waiting for one something like
I understand what you say. I could see all of that too, Lena. I agree with you. Something about Vybz Kartel and Shensia at the time was not hot enough.
Yeah.
But I can understand maybe this is the first time Shensia get to meet Vybz Kartel since Vybz Kartel come out of jail by end idea. And we see how Skilly Bang was more up with Vybz Kartel, and like he was comforting Shensia in a sense of way. Say, yeah man, come on a Vybz Kartel and thing. But me see where the tension was there. It was a good look
there was a tension in place, because there's no way like she can come out and she first time she has the Vybz Kartel, you know, in a real life, in a person, because them never see each other when they even do Ludi song, and they never see each other. The first time she has seen him in a person. So how the hell she has seen him first time in a person, and she say, oh yeah, him a one good influential artist, dancer.
No. But me understand the first time she seen him in person though. But by end of the day, Vybz Kartel still influenced Shensia in a sense of way based on before Vybz Kartel go to jail. Like
she not show enough love, cause even the other girl no Vybz Kartel and just meet Vybz Kartel too. She more like up there and hype up and all that. They had give the Vybz Kartel little wine and sitting. Like it's like Vybz Kartel and Shensia still have that little riff. Like it's just awkward.
Yeah, I could see that. A lot of people say same thing. Say if Vybz Kartel and Shensia situation was awkward. But my life, you see how like our craft run out on stage. Me happy if you see them young artists they get involved in a game with Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And me know how Roger Wiles and them people
It's a choice. Run that ready. We're gonna fight. Run that ready. You twice a family. Try to do the right. Some food never want it again. Come and see what I but hell the umbre. I don't get no even rise. When we look, I don't know what
Nation, Vybz Kartel and Tamale perform in Barbados. It was a good look for Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel seems like in the on a whole tour. Yeah, Selena, this is a good look for the Gaza Nation or Wagwan for sure.
Yeah, so when the Tamale and Vybz Kartel show in Barbados, was a good look, because you know I never seen my Tamale actually for a while after the show, the other show they were in Keeper, Jamaica, Freedom Street. So you know Tamale and boy still, you know, cause Tamale whole out still. Tamale always a say Gaza's part of your life.
But more I know if Vybz Kartel and Tamale that good, because only time I see Tamale from them time they are Vybz Kartel I go do a track with Tamale, cause I don't want to see Vybz Kartel and the man them do a track, not just a video. Maybe Vybz Kartel maybe I'll save it for an album or something, but something kinda look like him depend on him give everybody a little space and give himself time. What do you think? Cause normally Vybz Kartel and the whole Gaza don't drop
no man already. It just but me no see him give nobody space. Like him link up enough with Popcorn. He link up enough true, because Black Rhino couldn't really their own him, but he link up with Black Rhino, Barclay and Javinji, you know that. But me I say Tamale
link up with them, but me no see them with a drop no track together, no features. So that makes me look into everything and I say kinda look sus.
Yeah, not a track, but me feel like say me don't know what going between him and Tamale, because Tamale and him no really, me never see them really go to, unless because Tamale busy. Me think because Tamale busy, because me think him actually a tour, like he enough shows.
You know what? Let's see who Vybz Kartel gonna give his first features, because from Vybz Kartel come out jail, him not drop no feature, but within son them, right? Okay, so let's see what I go on, cause we hear about the Bojo and the DJ Khaled link up and thing. Let's see if that's gonna be Vybz Kartel first feature out a road, or I'll give him first feature to a Popcorn or a Tamale or somebody from that dancehall space. But a good feature me about with Bojo and Movado, that's a good feature still. You see me I say?
Bunty
but
too.
me realize and Bunty, but me realize the Vybz Kartel haven't featured on any track with anyone. I give no feature, you know what I mean? But
From him Gaza. Well, him need to go give one to Lisa Hyper still.
But you know, Vybz Kartel also have a show coming up named Wireless. That's gonna happen in England. It's a new show coming up.
So he might have enough things to do to. That's the reason why. Because even in margin, put off in margin, so because he did have those things, like he have the business I do. In business I do, so he did supposed to get married, but he did put off a marriage, So you know, maybe you become busy because you can't just record music. So if you're busy, you know we can record the music and the features and all these things. He's busy. He's very busy.
Me see what do still, but by the end of the day, Gaza they on a mission, and let's see if dancehall can really come back to or go to a higher heights than where it was. You know what I mean? Even though heights like the reggae, you know, reggae genre was back in the days. Cause right now, when you look for reggae numbers, them youth them are running from doing reggae, and I think that's a problem. You know what I mean? A lot of Jamaican people, they really listen to reggae music no more, you know, and that kind of take a toll on the culture, cause normally culture would not do certain things or say certain things. You know what I mean? Cause reggae was just a music that purify the youths them in a sense of way, but now they don't have much reggae artists at the right thing. They have couple, well, they have like Chronic and they have like Coffee, but you know Coffee and Chronic. I really don't know what about Chronic. From Chronic lose, they did get troubled by Grammys and thing, and it seems like him put on his music, but seems like him did do music just to get Grammys and riches. Cause that's what I'm saying, none of them can never talk Bob Marley in a sense of way, you know, cause Bob Marley do it from his heart. You see me? So we need some more reggae artists and reggae music. People feel listen that more in a Jamaica and need to play more upon the radio station in Jamaica, because while playing more upon the radio station in Jamaica, crime rate kind of turn up. But now crime rate looks alright, cause they may reach 100 murder yet. And that me I realize they don't reach 100 murder. But it's a good look. But nation, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like.
Put it on the left, can you take it on the right? Me put them a right, set it up in a mission. What appetite? Every little get a bite. See me, wanna sing this?
Nation, Vybz Kartel put on a stunning performance. You see me I say in a Barbados. You'll see at one point a lot of people are sing out the song. You see me I say Vybz Kartel and Spice didn't have to say much. What do you think about that performance, Alina?
Yeah, so me say Vybz Kartel and Spice, them performance good. You know that already. Them chemistry on stage great. When they do Freedom Street and then Barclay Stadium, like them performance together good. Them can perform good together. Like together, them always have a great chemistry on stage, and them performance is always well done. Because you know, say Spice rep Vybz Kartel long time, and she not give up on Vybz Kartel either. So you know them thing go. Them chemistry and them stage performance is very, very good. Well done. Best stage performance with like Vybz Kartel with somebody else. Him or she, them that's one of them. One of the best performance.
Yeah, man, a good performance, but like that too. And when we realize Tamale only can go to Barbados, so Tamale won't be much part of Vybz Kartel touring got going on unless it's the Caribbean islands. Right now Popcorn getting visa for the state, and he did have a for the England already and Canada. So right now, anyway, Vybz Kartel right now, Popcorn can pull up. So don't look out for Popcorn more on these shows and Spice on these shows, cause Spice can go everywhere, you know what I mean? And it's a good look for your whole dancehall as we see again. A lot of new music drop. We are taking a couple artists.
Just style, you know, Granny Clark, level. All who love Vybz, put up one of them in our ears. All who respect Popcorn, put up one and two. My brother in our ears. Let me tell you. But after forward, they represent the Gaza. But after represent Vybz, you know what? Level it. Oh, can this Vybz and survive? Make that house so black. Barry life is a winner, man. But fuck your man, I'm telling you, baby, dog. Hey, Brooklyn. I'm 15 and Jacob. Who can live back? Not can't see a flow. Violate the dog from what I say. 90s. So, I'm good at 10 on the way. I'm say one bag of talk and never say.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys. We out.